All right, everybody, welcome back. If you're here from the title and you think something's drastically wrong with the car, it's not, so sorry. But we did drive one tank of gas through it, and it is up on jack stands now, and it is for good reasons. This is a 2004 Chevrolet Corvette C5. It is bone stock for the most part, 80,000 or so miles. We picked it up from a couple, one owner, absolutely gorgeous car. So we're gonna go through why it's up in the air and talk about everything and show you the car and hopefully get this thing back on the road and see what it's like. So first of all, the car drives perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. The brakes, everything's a little worn out because it is a 2004, but nonetheless, it is a beautiful, beautiful car. Absolutely gorgeous, super clean. I mean, this car was well maintained. I'll show you underneath here. Absolutely pristine condition. It really just needed maintenance items like brakes, tires, and all that stuff, but we're gonna start fixing the little nuances. So if anybody knows, the stock C5 exhaust is very weak. So we went ahead and got a Corsa Extreme exhaust with an H-pipe. GM factory coils. If you've been around LS motors, 5.7, all of them, 5.3s. The coils, they're okay, but at about 100K, the factory coils start to go. So we got the MSD Street Fire coils with the MSD power pack wire. We went back with OEM ceramic AC Delco brakes. So we got a Amco 3000 machine. So that'll be cut. The gas pedal, if you know in these C5 Corvettes, they're plastic. They're pretty funny looking, so we'll take a quick look at it. See, the brake pedal there comes nice in aluminum and chrome. Gas pedal, it's just cheap, super cheap gas pedal for a Corvette. That footrest we put in there, so this is an automatic. Yeah, laugh now, but it's a nice ride. Nobody wants to be shifting all day in traffic. Extremely nice ride, clean interior. But yeah, we're gonna go through and get all the nuances fixed in this thing. All the small things. We got a tunnel plate there. It does get hot in the center tunnel there. But yeah, that's everything we're gonna put on it. We'll go ahead and start it up for you. We'll show you how it sounds. Just an extremely beautiful car, well maintained, low miles, documented from day one. Absolute beautiful car. We do have an aftermarket intake in there, but the car was bought 100% stock. That was an add-on. Absolutely beautiful. Super clean. service tire lights on. It's getting new tires. It's just better to go to the dealership for everything, honestly, with this car. But yeah, super nice. Little touches here and there added. Everything works like it should. Nothing's broken. If you like this content, hit the thumbs up, share, like, subscribe. We're gonna have all these parts going on, and yeah, this thing's gonna be a fun car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.